Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in the northwest of Las Vegas, and we are touring some townhomes in a brand new community of Axel at Sunstone by Lennar Homes. And for today's tour, we're going to be checking out a two-story townhome with a bedroom downstairs. I cannot wait to show you. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also tap that bell for notification. That when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Let's start. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Rhett, and we are in the northwest of Las Vegas in the community of Axel at Sunstone by Lennar Homes. And this one is a two-story townhome. Like I mentioned in the beginning, it does have a bedroom downstairs. Cannot wait to show you guys. So let me give you the details on this one right here. So this one's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It is 1,927 square feet. Does have a 2-car garage, which is on the other side of the house, which you can't see right now. And starting base price for this one, guys, is $403,990. It is an HOA. HOA here is $160 a month. Also, I know I mentioned that base price is not including the upgrade, guys, or your lot premiums. But just to reference back, guys, they do have a quick move-in ready as of making this video, and it is priced at $424,585, just to give you a reference of the difference of with those upgrades. But it's a spec'd out home that the builder picked out. But enough of me talking. Let's go inside because it is hot, 112 degrees. So check it out. At least with all these guys, you are gonna have a little courtyard. I mean, you don't get a backyard with these, but at least you do get a courtyard. And like I mentioned, guys, on the back end of this house, you do have your 2-car garage. So if you have company, they're gonna be coming around and coming knock on this door. But if you're coming in, you're gonna be coming in to your garage. But here in the front, you do have a nice little covered porch. Just put a little table, some chairs, have a drink, relax, guys. So now let's go inside and take a look at this bad boy. Ooh, nice and fresh in here, I'll tell you that. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you have your dining, then you have your kitchen, and then your living room area. So I already have the camera here, so let's just start here with this living room area. So here you have 8-foot ceilings, nice living area. Then right behind me, guys, is your kitchen. And then over there, your dining. And then that's the door we just came through right there. But here it is, guys. I mean, this one has great cabinets, has like that bluish backsplash. Got your white quartz countertop with like the gray veins. See, it's about, I don't know, has 2 chairs right now, 2 people. So what do you guys think? Not too bad, right? I mean, for a townhouse, guys, it is what it is, guys. And also, like I mentioned in the beginning, this one does have a bedroom downstairs. So this is perfect for whoever wants their own privacy, be downstairs. Maybe you have elderly parents that come visit frequent, or whenever, guys, you have the option to have them stay here on this first floor. That way they don't go up and down the stairs. And whoever's staying in here, guys, right across the way right here, let me show you. Currently right now a public bathroom, as you can see, but let me show you. You do have a bathroom. Not just that, guys. Right over here, you do have a stand-up shower. Definitely not your biggest shower, guys, but at least it's something, right? I wish it would have like extended it here. I don't know what's on the other side of that garage, but yeah, I mean, if you're staying here, you have your own bathroom. And then That door right there is to your 2-car garage. We won't be checking that out because it is locked and they are using it as a sales office, but that would be the door to in and out to your 2-car garage. So now let's go upstairs. And also, as we walk upstairs, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, subscribe, tap that notification bell. That way you receive notifications, and also like the video, guys, if you guys are finding value. And if you guys would like to come check out these new construction homes, guys, and want outside representation, maybe from a realtor like myself, maybe you already have your own agent, guys. Super important that if you do come, that we come with you on that first initial visit, guys. If we don't, the builder's gonna say, nope, we're gonna represent you now since you did come here on the first visit without your realtor. So just a heads up, guys, I'll have my contact info in the description below, so don't hesitate to call or text or even shoot me an email, guys. But here's this nice loft. And then right over here, you got this little, I don't know what you would do with that space, but they got a little popcorn machine right there going on. Right over there's the primary, but we'll see that last. So let's go over here. First, let me turn on this light because it is dark. But here's your laundry room. Washer and dryer are not included, is optional. But if you have a great agent, guys, have them negotiate that in the deal, at least, right? Save you a couple, some bucks. Why not? So here's bedroom number 2, because we did see bedroom number 1 on the first floor. Not bad. Here's bedroom number 3 now, right next to it, making it all dramatic, right? But yeah, if you're not too familiar where this community is located, guys, it's off 95 in Cow Canyon. It's literally one of the last exits leaving Las Vegas heading to Reno. Just to give you an idea of where we're at. Here's your bathroom. Wish it had 2 sinks, but it has one. Definitely has a space for another one, but I don't know, maybe they're trying to budget, keep it under the budget, right? I don't know. Here's the shower. So now, let's go check out the primary. So before we do, guys, there's a closet here that I have to show you. Why not, right? You want to see it all. It's actually a linen closet. But here, we have the primary. So these floor plans are also available in the Presleys in Henderson, but the difference is, guys, the ones over there have balconies. These don't. Same floor plan, no balconies. Bummer, especially out here. And off Cow Canyon exit, it tends to get a little fresher. But you know what? Oh, never mind. I got lost for a second. Just had a brain fart. Sorry about that. I was like, wait a minute, is this a dual primary? This is a primary. So this is the 4th bedroom, but look at this nice walk-in closet you get for a townhome. Guys, it is not bad. Then, primary bathroom. Get that, guys. Dual vanity. That's me, hello. Here it is. Got the combo stand up with the bathtub. Not bad. Then nothing here special, but your toilet. Well, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys think of this floor plan. You like it, you don't. It does have that bedroom downstairs, which does make it unique, guys. So I think that's the big bonus, in my opinion, with this floor plan, that you do get that bedroom downstairs. And a lot of people always tell me, like, hey, I don't mind a 2-story townhome or house, but it has to have that bedroom downstairs. Just for whatever reason, guys, everybody has their different reasons. This one does have it, so give me a call, shoot me a text. I'll have my contact info in the description below if you want to schedule a private tour. Also, guys, if there's any questions or anything I can help you guys out with, guys, if you're looking to maybe buy a resale home, looking for investment, whatever, guys. Even looking to sell your property, guys, I can assist you with that. So don't hesitate to reach out, guys. And like always, guys, if you guys found some value in this tour, do me a huge favor, guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow and put out these tours for you guys. And tap that notification bell. That way, when I do upload these tours, guys, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Until next time, guys.